Most people think machine learning and predictive maintenance is about installing sensors and dashboards, but the truth is far more practical. It exists to answer one question engineers have always struggled with. When will this machine fail? Not after it fails. Long before ML existed, maintenance relied on breakdowns or fixed schedules. ML simply turns experience into prediction. To see this clearly, imagine a simple everyday situation where you hear a strange noise from your car engine. At first, it's occasional, then more frequent, and eventually louder. Without realizing it, you're already doing predictive maintenance, comparing current behavior to what normal sounds like and anticipating failure before the car stops working. What's actually happening here is simple. Machines always show warning signs before failure: changes in vibration, temperature, noise, pressure, or power consumption. Machine learning models are trained on historical sensor data to recognize these patterns early. Once abnormal behavior is detected, the system can estimate remaining useful life, RUL, how long the machine can safely operate before failure occurs. Now imagine a real industrial scenario, a factory running dozens of electric motors on conveyor belts. Traditionally, maintenance teams would service every motor every 6 months, even if some were perfectly healthy. With ML-based predictive maintenance, vibration and temperature sensors continuously stream data from each motor. The ML model learns what healthy operation looks like and detects tiny deviations: a bearing beginning to wear, a shaft slowly misaligning. The system flags one specific motor and predicts it has 3 weeks of useful life remaining. Maintenance is scheduled only for that motor, before failure, without stopping the entire line. Nothing magical happens. ML doesn't predict the future. It recognizes patterns humans can't track at scale and converts them into actionable maintenance decisions. This same logic operates across industries. Factories detect bearing and gearbox faults early. Power plants predict turbine degradation. Airlines monitor engine health in real time. And data centers prevent cooling system failures. Maintenance shifts from reactive or calendar-based to condition-based, reducing downtime, cost, and safety risk. The philosophy behind predictive maintenance is rooted in reliability-centered thinking, shaped by engineers like John Mowbray, who emphasized understanding how and why systems fail. Machine learning extends this philosophy by analyzing far more data, far more consistently than humans ever could. In practice, ML-based predictive maintenance follows a clear workflow: sensors, data collection, feature extraction, ML fault detection, RUL prediction, maintenance decision. Engineers remain in control. ML highlights risk, but humans decide action based on safety, cost, and operational priorities. Now that you understand the intuition behind fault detection and remaining life prediction, the next natural step is to explore digital twins and real-time monitoring systems where predictive models continuously update as machines operate. And that's exactly what we'll break down in the next episode.